Greetings, my dear kids. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. I welcome you all in today's English online. As you know that we have completed the reading and the book exercise of chapter 5. So today we will do the keywords of the same chapter. And again, I want to recall you the name of the chapter, my dear kids. The name of the chapter is The Ugly Duckling. Okay, ugly means not beautiful or nasty, we can say. Duckling means baby of duck. That is duckling. And these are the keywords. Keywords are the words, okay, that are the important words, we can say, from the chapters. And these are the words whose spelling you should know. Along with the spelling, it is necessary to know the pronunciation of the same words. So let us start from the first word. Our first word is ugly, ugly. I told you the meaning in the chapter also. And the meaning is not beautiful or nasty. Ugly. What is the pronunciation? Ugly. 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 Second word is duck. Duck. Ling. Ling. Duckling. You can break the word into two pieces. Then you can join and you can read them very easily. And it's very easy to recall the spelling also. duck, duck, ling, duckling. Duckling means baby duck. Third word is beaut, beauty, full, beautiful. आप इसको कैसे लर्न करेंगे? BEAUTI, beauty, FUL, full. Very easy, na? I break the spelling into two small pieces. That is, first is beauty and FUL, full. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful means pretty, lovely. Fourth word is swan. What is the spelling? SWAN, swan. Swan is a bird. SWAN, swan. Our fifth word is POND, pond. Pond means talab. Pond means talab. POND, pond. ये बेसिकली वाटर बॉडी है जिसमें वाटर स्टोर होता है. ठीक है, नेचुरल वे से जो है वाटर इसमें होता है, दैट इज पॉन्ड. Sixth word is RIVER, river. River means river, nadi. Okay, there are different types of rivers in our country, na? Like Ganga, Brahmaputra. These are the rivers. Seventh word is NEST, nest. Nest means घोंसला. Nest means घोंसला. NEST, nest. बर्ड्स जो होती हैं वो क्या बनाती हैं? बेसिकली नेस्ट बनाती हैं और अपने नेस्ट के अंदर वो रहती भी हैं और अपने एग्स जो हैं वो वहां पे ले करती. दैट इज नेस्ट. आवर एट्थ वर्ड इज WALK, वॉक. वॉक मीन्स वॉकिंग करना. जस्ट टू वॉक मीन्स चलना. WALK, वॉक. नाइन्थ वर्ड इज RABBIT, rabbit. Rabbit, you know? Rabbit is a animal. Rabbit means you know. Rabbit is khargosh. 10th word is EGGS, eggs. Eggs means ande. Okay. Birds usually lay eggs. Okay. और जो एग्स हैं वो हम क्या करते हैं, ईट भी करते हैं, खाते हैं ना, दैट इज एग्स. सो दीज वर्ड्स यू हैव टू learn them with proper spelling as well as with proper pronunciation. Now we will do the word meaning. Okay, so these are the words. Okay, and these are their meaning. This is word and this is the meaning, like this. Clear? So you have to write in the same way. First word is ugly. Ugly. Ugly means not beautiful or nasty. You can write anyone or you can learn anyone which you feel easy to learn. Okay, so first word is ugly. Ugly means not beautiful or not pretty or not lovely, we can say, or nasty. Second word is laid. Laid. Laid means देना. Okay, to give or to put. बर्ड्स जो हैं वो लेड करती हैं एग्स. ले का जो है ये पास्ट फॉर्म. ओके, लेड. गिव और टू पुट. देना, एग ले करना, देना, और वहां पे पुट करना. इट बोथ मीन्स द सेम. सो यू कैन लर्न एनी वन. गिव और टू पुट, टू मीनिंग्स आते हैं. I have given you the two meanings. Third word is duck, duck, ling. Duckling. Duckling means, I told you, baby duck. The small baby of duck is known as baby duck. B-A-B-Y, baby. D-U-C-K, duck. Baby duck. Dear kids, our fourth and the last word is N-E-A-R, near. Near means pass. That is C-L-O-S, close. जो हमारे पास हो, हमारे बहुत close हो, है ना? That is near means close. So let us recall once again. Ugly means not beautiful or nasty. Second word is laid. It means give or to put. Third word is duckling. The meaning is baby duck. And the fourth word here is N-E-A-R, near, and its meaning is C-L-O-S-E, close. Now, dear kids, let us start make sentences. In make sentences, words are given to you. आपको words देंगे और you have to use the word and you have to form the sentence. First word is N-E-A-R, near. Near means pass. Don't go near the fire. Don't means नहीं. Go means जाना. Don't go near. Near means pass. आप जो है आपको fire means आग. कहीं भी बर्न आग लगी हो, ठीक है, या आग जल रही हो, उसके आपको पास नहीं जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट मे कॉज एक्सीडेंट. ओके, डोंट गो नियर द फायर. D-O-N-T, don't. G-O, go. N-E-A-R, near. T-H-E, the. F-I-R-E, fire. And at the end of the sentence, don't forget to put the full stop. Second word is G-R-E-W, grew. Grew means उगना या बढ़ना. The tree grew very tall. T-H-E, the. T-R-E-E, tree. G-R-E-W, grew. V-E-R-Y, very. T-A-L-L, tall. The tree grew very tall. जो tree था वो जो है बहुत, tall means अब लंबा उग गया है, बड़ा हो गया, बहुत लंबा हो गया. The tree grew very tall. These are the sentences. You have to learn them.